next question is from Sister Mahadum.
Where is Abdul Rahman today? He only comes to that studio? Please.
She is asking, Mal farq bayna dhanb wa sayyea?
The word Zamm is applied in such wide variety in the Holy Quran that first of all, the word Zamm itself has to be fully explained. Dhunub can be real sins against Allah, and dhunub can also be small mistakes and errors and very light blemishes of human character. So it all depends on what sort of dhunub she has in mind. You see, the word Zamm has a very wide spectrum, beginning from just the the slightest spot which could possibly exist on the white character of some person, clean white character. And as I said, it could be really such sins as are counted among the kabair. So the next thing is difference between Zamm and what?
Saiyea.
Saiyea. Leave the Zamm out, because I have explained to you, it's impossible to explain fully the meaning of Zamm here in this short sitting. But Saiyea is anything which sounds bad, which looks bad or appears bad. Saiyea could be a habit inculcated in a man as a sinful act. And a saiyea could also be a natural blemish found in a man, whether it is bodily or spiritual. So these two things are different. A saiyea could be sin and a saiyea could not be sin. It all depends on the context in which the word as-sayyea is used. You understand the point? Some people are as-sayyi in their appearance. They look bad in their appearance. Some face has a facial blemish, like twisting of nose and, or distortion of any facial part, lips or eyes or whatever it is. That is a saiyea, but it's not a sin, right?